Hey everybody, welcome to Derek's DIY Projects. Today we're making a new gasket for your motorized bike. So the things you'll need: some gasket material, a pencil. Gonna make some homemade punches. I use 3/4 copper pipe and 1/4" copper. The sharper you get the edges of your punches, the better off you'll be. You'll need some scissors. A file here for sharpening the edges. A tape measure and a straight edge will help. You'll need a hammer, and of course you'll need a flange off one of your exhausts. This is my 2-piece exhaust that I'll be putting on shortly, so the flange will work perfect. What you'll want to do is go ahead and trace out the flange on your exhaust. Try to hold it as steady as possible. You don't want this shifting on you. Trace out your holes. Go ahead and take your straight edge, line it up at the center of your holes, from center to center. Put a mark right across there. Taking your tape measure, find the center of your holes. It's easier to inch it. It's 1.5 inches from hole to hole. So 3/4 inch will be dead center. And take your straight edge again. Get it as perpendicular as possible. Mark your edge. Now this could be easier while it's already still connected to your regular gasket material. Go ahead and punch your holes. Remember, the sharper your punches are, the easier this is going to be. The more stable your work surface is, the easier it's going to be. I recommend getting another piece of wood to protect your work surface. You don't want a bunch of holes punched in it. We'll start with both holes. Almost all the way through in one go. Flip it over. Perfect hole punched out. Go ahead and do your other one. You see, I was able to do that one in one go. Now for your center, this is what your lines are for. You'll be able to look straight down in it, like looking through the crosshair of a gun. Make sure it looks about perfectly centered all the way around. Looks good. Go ahead and give it a nice swift blow. Flip it over. You can see the edge where you almost pushed through. If you go through in one go, that's fine. If not, go ahead and flip it over, line it all the way back up again. Make sure it's perfectly lined up as best as you can get it. Give it another good swift blow. Turn. Holes punched out. Nice, perfect holes. Go ahead and take a pair of scissors and cut your new gasket out. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're better off leaving more material than less. You could also do this with a razor knife, but a pair of scissors will be a lot faster. The sharper your scissors, the better your gasket's going to come out. Now you can trim the edges if you want to, once it's already off your paper. And there we go. a nice perfect gasket every time. And of course you'll save your punches. They will be reusable. You may just have to sharpen them up every now and again. You don't have to use 3/4 or 1/4 inch copper, but I found it's the easiest to sharpen and manipulate. So if you're a plumber or know a plumber, you should be able to get some of this pretty easily. It only takes about 2 to 3 inches. Bye for now.